Yo, what's up guys? Welcome to my channel, Man Angel TV. Kung bago ka pa lang sa aking YouTube channel, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you can update all the time that we can upload the video every day. So yesterday I brought the new Epson Ecotank 2820 model. As you can see, this unboxing Epson Ecotank 2820, and you can download it in the Apple Store and Play Store and the Google, so you can easy to use of this printer. You can use like Wi-Fi. This one, as you can see, this print, copy, scan, Wi-Fi, rail paper input, mobile printing, and they have LCD small one from here. So let's see, and we can unboxing this Ecotank Epson 20. So I bought yesterday. Oh, still I'm not removed this. I buy also clipper yesterday. This is keep it other side, and this one I bought yesterday. I still have receipt, and as per you can say, about yesterday at 3 o'clock in the afternoon. Yeah, this one, and date this one from Medimax Electronics here in Kimpin, Germany. Let's go, and we can unboxing this my new printer. Yeah, that all you need from inside, like this already included this ink, this 4 pieces. This is black, this is yellow, and the other. That means you can put it in this all time here, and you can refill. And they have LCD, right? And okay, it's new. This is my first time I buy Epson printer, because you know this one, I believe, because this one I like it, this kind of Epson, because you can print 1500 black and 14,400 colored black and what I mean. See, and we can start it now to unboxing this one. This is my first time I buy it, so we can open it right away. So this is unboxing. Yeah, unboxing. So I open already. Let's go open the box. Yes. Oh, there is a lot of cover. Yes. So this is the manual for this Epson, and they have LCD also, and you can download easily in the internet directly. Keep aside and remove this. All are removing, and this one is cable for power. Yeah. Yes. Remove. Oh, this is the one. This is the one. What I mean is ink. This is including. This is black, yellow, and the other color. So that means this is normal black. This, and this is colored. We have 4 bottle for the inserting this in the tank. So let's go. We bring it out the printer. Yes. Yeah, I brought you one. Yes. Keep aside this carton. Keep this side. Yeah. Oh, it's new printer. Yeah. Yes, this is the front. This is the front. Yes. Yeah. So we can remove now this all cover, and still have manual this in the top. Yeah. So you can see everything here in manual. Yeah. So remove now from here. Oh, this is plastic from here. Remove already. Yeah. This is my first time I buy printer. So this is my first time also setup. So yeah, this is in the tank. Yeah, this is black, and for the color here, so you can open this one and refill from here. Yeah, you can refill from here. Open this, press this one from here, press and push up, and you can open and close. Yeah. Yes, open and close. You can refill here. All our instruction is here. And this one, you can up, down, up. You can. So you can put it here. This paper in behind here. Yeah, and put it here. Yeah, paper box. And the scanner here. Open, close, and what I mean is you can open and scan here on top. Yeah, it's nice. It's new. It's a brand new. So you can plug in now. Start to turn on from here. Started coming. Can press the button on off. Yeah, as you can see here, there is all languages, but first one is mentioned as here is English. You can see that, and you can press this arrow down, arrow up, and you can choose what you want, what language you are prepared. So you can press here and tap also, up, down. Of course I'm prepared English, so press OK. Yeah, and finish the setup. They say like that, and they say yes. Yeah, and there is a code. You can scan the code also. Maybe you can see in that. Yeah. Right, and there is arrow back like that and everything, and you can see as per you can follow. What I mean is there is a manual, so anything that you don't know, please comment below in down or comment. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel Manager TV, so we can set up in the next video for this one. And as per you can see the label of tank is here if you refill this and but easily to put. If you have suggestion for this Ecotank 2020 with Wi-Fi, so if there is any comments or confusing of this kind of model, please let me know and write down comment section so I can solve the problem, or comments on my Facebook page Manager TV, and Instagram, and my YouTube channel Manager TV, all as Manager TV, so easily to to find out me where I am. So there is any confused for this Epson Ecotank 2820 model, just let me know and I will can help you anytime. Yeah, see, this is assembled from Philippines. He come to ship here in Germany and they're selling, and me also from Philippines, so I buy this one. So just comment below if any confusing for this Ecotank printer, so I can help you anytime. How to set up the Wi-Fi, how to set up in the mobile, how to set up in the laptop. Just let me know and comment below. I will help you anytime. Cheers! Thank you very much. Good day. Guten Morgen from Germany. Guten Tag.